On the other hand, if you are critical and demeaning and you disregard him, treat him of little worth, you only succeed in driving him away from yourself. You must be able to show respect to your husband. When you show respect to your husband, this is how it acts. It acts like the suckling reflex of a newborn baby. When a mother puts a baby to the suck, the baby sucks at the breast milk. The initial attempt to suck might not produce milk, but as the child tries and tries, this triggers the flow of the milk, and soon the mouth will be full of milk. So within weeks, the milk will be flowing in excess, even without the mother's volition. One of the greatest needs of a husband for his wife is the need for respect. Most times, love is interpreted as respect by men. Respect to a man is the best perception of love. To show your husband love, then respect him. Some women think that greeting a man and adding yes sir or genuflexing of the knees are the only signs of respect. That's just a tip of the iceberg. It is just an outward display of respect, because respect includes your verbal communication, the intonation. The way you talk to your husband will go a long way in determining the affection and the attention that he shows to you. For instance, if your husband accosts you to help him wash his dirty socks at 7 a.m. in the morning when you are rushing to the office because your new boss is a tyrant and highly malignant and a terrible person, the way you respond to that situation will tell a lot about your level of respect for your husband. Most women need to be schooled on how to answer quietly, gently receive it without rude words, and go ahead, have them washed quickly and delivered to him, and then rush off to work, praying for favor with your new boss as you proceed. But by all means, if it's something that is absolutely not possible for you to do, then make up your mind to quickly ask, please, may I give you an alternate socks? And then you quickly assure him that you will have them washed at another time. Now, as I was saying, be careful how you talk to your husband. Proverbs 15 verse 1 says, a quiet answer turneth away wrath. A man needs to be put on a pedestal. He needs to be put on a certain height. Not so that he will lord it over you and the family, but to the point that you're able to show him that the most important person to you after God is him, not your friends, him. And then let him know that God is the number one, he is number two. Dear sister, after you've done your morning devotion and some other basic chores that you need to attend to in the morning, the next important person that you must pay attention to is your husband. Few women who find themselves shouldering a huge or a greater amount of financial responsibility in the home, or who have to work outside the home while the husband stays home to care for the children, often struggle with a deep-seated resentment. And many times, of course, this affects your response to him, and it pushes them into being unduly rude and hostile. This is a truly very delicate situation, and it requires cooperation from both the husband and the wife to help to complement each other.